Well, hey everybody, 650 here. Welcome home to the channel. Today I'm at a very special event hosted by my good friends at Ducati, and they are going to unveil the very beautiful 2025 Panigale Tricolore. This is a very special machine. Only 1,000 of them will be produced, and this should be an epic event. Before we can feast our eyeball sockets on the actual motorcycle, we get to see what comes with this beautiful machine, and that is a gorgeous motorcycle jacket and a custom helmet. Yeah, you get that if you buy the beautiful 2025 Tricolore. But let's go check some things out here. They got stuff set up really nicely. An area where people can take photos, that's fantastic. Live music and drinks and all that kind of stuff. And some of your favorite people are actually here tonight to celebrate the launch of this beautiful machine. You see that everyone's dressed up nice. The weather's fantastic.
And this is quite a special evening for us. I mean, you look at this amazing place that we're here, and this beautiful Vizcaya villa that has architecture clearly inspired from that of Tuscan countryside and the Tuscan villas and hills. And then I look over the sea over here, and I think the only thing that's separating us from our home country in Bologna, Italy, is just this ocean. It's really quite a special time for us to be able to be here tonight. So I would like to be able to welcome up our Vice President of Global Sales, Francesco Malicia, that's visiting here from Bologna, Italy, to say a few words about Ducati as we celebrate this evening. So Francesco, please.
Thank you very much, and good evening to all of you. It's really an honor and a pleasure to represent Ducati here in such a special evening for this unveiling.
Appreciate you coming out here and joining us this evening. And I'd like to invite Andrea Ferresi, Head of Strategy and Director of Central
Thank you very much, and hand over to Andrea.
Thank you, Francesco.
Thank you, Andrea. Thank you for joining us here tonight. You know, this is one of those moments that it's really an honor for me, obviously being with my funny accent, being from the U.S., to be able to share this moment an unveiling of a very special motorcycle, a motorcycle that actually means a lot not only to Ducati, but to the Italian people and the culture behind this. So,
first of all, let me say welcome to all of you, also from my side. I'm very excited and proud to be here back in Miami for this special moment. The world premiere of a very special motorcycle, as you were saying, and we strongly wanted to have this world premiere here in front of our beloved American Ducati.
Well, I think it's time to
Fine, it's time to unveil the bike, so it's not a wait moment. So let's do it.
Yes.
Michael Knight is in love with it. You know you like it, Michael. You know you like it. Michael, which one's your favorite side?
These ones.
The green side?
The green one.
Michael Knight loves it. Everybody at this event loved it. How could you not love this beautiful machine? We didn't take a look at the beautiful carbon fiber wheels yet. Those are all new. Those are not from a previous model. Carbon fiber swing arm cover, dual-sided arm. You guys will love this arm in person, so stop your complaining about it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Of course, it has rear sets, and it's got engine case covers from Ducati Performance, cooling guards to help cool those new high pure calipers down. That's fantastic. And look, the triple tree is unique to this bike too. This is a numbered machine, only 1,000 being made. It's gorgeous with the new TFT gauges, widescreen, generous use of carbon fiber throughout this machine. It's absolutely beautiful. And guess what? The best part about it? It's Michael Knight approved.
It's amazing.
Well, the event's over. I was trying to track down the bike and went back there somewhere, but now it's gone. I think I spent enough time with here at this event. What a beautiful machine. No, I did not order the Tricolore version. I did order the Italia version, which we have not seen yet. That bike is beautiful, blue, gorgeous machine, and I hope that they have an event like this to unveil that beautiful bike. Everybody's packed up and leaving, guys. Thanks for viewing this beautiful video. We'll catch you next time on the 650 EB YouTube channel.